Jesus, turn on back in.
Come there like man.
So Sheena, you bite off Philip too and you come bite off your man finger now.
No.
So how me look?
I said, Evan, oh you look?
Look at me, I put on weight and me
Like
take
you
off.
want cocky, me feel
Jared, Marley.
Man, jam up the
Marley!
Take out the bag.
Turn around your hand, Miguel, let me see. Jesus, turn on back in.
Come there like man.
So Sheena, you bite off Philip too and you come bite off your man finger now.
No.
No, Sheena bite off your finger.
No.
You.
Yeah, who did that?
The man say yes, Sheena.
You don't lie,
Sheena,
man.
if you tap there and sick there, man.
Alright, when the doctor don't take a doctor never bite me.
Who bite you? Not tell a lie about me, Jackie.
You never animal, I mean you never human bite me.
Oh, not tell a lie about me, my youth. You make this that.
The doctor will know if I human. The doctor will know if me are dead and so.
Let me see you and check it.
Brother.
You know not the finger there right now, man.
Yeah,
Turn around and see.
we got doctor.
Let me see it.
Oh no.
Let's see,
You don't see it, man.
Sheena saying can do that, man. A wickedness that you ain't afraid. You got hell, man.
Not tell a lie about me, Jackie, but I know me. Alright, when the doctor go, we find me, but I'll pay about bite and an animal bite him.
I know animal bite a human being.
No, my move don't know how my move poison either. No,
See your mouth poison, man, and a slow poison.
you do lie.
Jump up. Yo! And you know that car jump up. Yo! Then a blood clot jump up. The 2 weeks came walking at 3 days. Get head. That's what shut up the mouth. And you walk in and chat with you. Jump up. Understand yourself and I know what you need to do. That's what you're about to have.
The man want to go down in every one of these and knife. I just let me bite off his finger. He did the knife was stopping on me. I just let me bite him off. And hold on my throat with blood. You know, what you know easy. You can't let that man hold on my throat stab me with knife. You know easy, you want me dead? So me just let me tell you how me tell you how you go. Me bite off his finger. That's me hold him bomb clot. So go on. And me want to be dead long time. Now I go on. So send you up now. What?
I can't think for dead.
Because me say me no want to see him. Because the man playing there on you, I know want me back so you have to go back to Philip I right here so you go turn. The woman comes so me like clean them. Come out already. The woman fling you up my youth. I tell you. Who me attack?
You want to know?
I don't mean let me come out and fling my car police for me. So me just take out my thing and pass for the bull and call police for me. I mean, they were very nice. Look at another. Look at them there. Look at
This is okay, man.
you don't never you. I mean, that they were the next one. I wanted to. Me want it. They were little. I don't be it. I'm coming on. So me hold my gun. I want to have a one we chat with them. You know chat with me?
Aye.
So how me look?
I said, Evan, oh you look?
Look at me, I put on weight and me
Like
take
you
off.
want cocky, me feel
Jared, Marley.
Man, jam up the
Marley!
Take out the baggy.
Marley!
You remember my wickedest thing when the time coming, there's something now.
I joke on that.
Watch ya.
See, cocky.
No, get
Deal up, be good. Deal up. Hey, the girl them have man, you know. Them can't spend the night, you know. Remember why not all
So she go sleep with you? You want she sleep with you?
Oh, she?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm man uptown. I'm not going to hear me now. Ball and no cocky. Be good.
You mix up here, you know, fun woman, man.
So, you never tell me say I'm man uptown?
I tell him never know neither.
And if I don't live down here with you, you're not keeping naked in a bed.
Oh, you know that.
Yeah, man. The woman I see him. Hey, I'm not talking about them of the money. Hey, you know, see them in the hey, say woman in Kingston 13 never see them with that man yet. Kingston 13 woman, you never see them with
But
that man.
Kingston 13 man, they never see them with that woman yet?
So what the duppy bat business for? What the hiding for? Waiting for you. Oh, me say love me. Alright, it's a Kingston out at Kingston 13. And they say one girl I walk with her boyfriend Anto Anna in love. And they don't love him. And they do not love him in him. Like when you hide man, you don't want to sell fuck.
Tell them later. Tell them later.
Yeah, later. Yeah, bye-bye. Because you thanks for listening. Bye-bye.
Tell the fans them say you love them.
Love fans?
Yeah.
We love all a man. Music.
Yeah, Batty man. Where just say a while ago?
Them not man fans.
Oh.
I say sharp blood carry me, huh?
Me not carry none of that.
Yes, because I tell fans say me love them. Them not tell man say me love them too. Yeah.
Be more specific.
So when you say fans, you must say who you say including man.
Yeah, I love man too. Hey man love man, me love man, you know. Love man. Them guys no man. Yeah, me love them right. Me love Alton.
Jerry.
Love them, me love man.
Why?
Before there's a man.
Why?
Before there's a man and God is a man.
Oh, that's why you love man.
That's why me love man. God say make way half a money, me say I like it.
Remember your son who look like you?
Yeah, me love man.
Take time, come out
I don't care. I love man.
Yeah,
But I don't love man intimately.
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
Yes, Jerry. Them twist you up.
Yeah. Then God no make man.
Yeah.
And God love man.
Afterwards.
And God said,
Oh, you mean, Jerry?
pray to him.
Come here, come on, that class.
Come on,
So what kind of classic Jerry in
I don't know classic. Your father is a man.
Yeah.
Who don't love your father?
Can't love the son.
You can't love the son. You don't love Jesus. Jesus no man.
You ever see me?
Them say you're wrong, Jerry. Them say you're wrong.
Who else am I wrong with that sodomite? Sodomite. God is man. God make we have our own image and likeness. Right? Earth, wind and fire, right? Earth, wind and fire. God the Almighty. Power and the glory. And say, love the Lord. Love the Lord thy God with all thy might and all thy strength. And go back and say, love your neighbor. And son come and say, if you love enemy to us. The man say, love your enemy, go stone Jesus to death. You say, I didn't kill him, Christian. I get realistic blood clot, man, you man, because I talk about love enemy.
Now me prove it and know say Jamaicans full of blood, clean talent and ways. It go far a man to the time of climb up way up in the tree there for put the PNP flag there. All kinds of politics such a no branch, no limb a man can't find, but a man still find the time and balance for himself and go no dog. No, we can't see with them here. Me can't see with them here. But my youth man find the time to go way up in the treetop here. Just go put the PNP flag up because of all kinds of politics, dog. Now, man, the next Olympics, them for sign up, every other man have to do this, man. Any man who is to get the next sign up for Olympics, we got to mountaineering or bouldering or rock climbing, man. Bring back trophy and medal for Jamaica, man. Watch your man. My God. Way up in that treetop just for this. Man, you're tough, dog.
You're coming out of place, man.
What you say? You tell him say you want what?
I will soak your pussy another time. Boy, me don't understand. Yeah, man, me can put me on face. You know I take it.
In him, take away from vision. It went to all the panino.
Security Unitarian and spiritual. So you always go suck the bomb club, man. You do nothing for the blood club poor if you reach them. And so like a fuck out bomb club boy. Move a fuck out flag from bomb club downtown. That means you and your son and your body fuck out. You pussy hole. Suck come on.
If you are telling you shit on him.
If you are telling me shit on your blood clot.
You see me all over there? You see him drink up? Give me a kiss.
No, dead. No, dead.
You see me all over there?
Come on, let him see the king man.
You see me all over there? You see the time up?
See the man go on, man. See me the man go on, man.
Tolo look good.
Go suck your mama pussy hole. Remember, you all of them.
Tolo, give me a kiss there, Tolo. Hold on.
Let him go on.
Pretty. You got Uncle Chinese.
I'm about to fly, you fly fast, but these are fits for me. Them say poor no more,
them so rich for me. Them say rich. Them say those thinking rich. Them say rich. Them say the rotten rich. Me want to control plane. Me want to control ship. That's why me do somebody well want to rich. Right up on me and me more than satellite. It and me say rich. Tell them say thinking rich. But after you fly past my big pitch for me. Wait for no more rich for me. So me no like but so you no switch for me. Me say rich. Tell them say thinking rich and me say rich. Rotten rich. But after you fly past my big pitch for me. And pitch man and it up silent.
So today, we there with one general them a fashion man in Jamaica, you know. Fashion king. So more you tell about your beard.
Well, I made design, you know.
Are you designing?
Yeah, I design. There's one time, one day I trim and I just say, you know, I put on a new style for my face. I'm just designing and just make it. But most time I change it. I put it over the other side.
You put it over the next?
Yes. I put it over the other side, you know.
So suppose the youth then say, this a shaver there, who them fi call link?
No, they can't check me. I can't tell the name for his style. I have a name for it.
So what name for his style?
Current Company.
Bumbo clad, current glad. Hey, when you hear current glad pan this a style yeah. Bumbo clad. So anyone who see him who know say a current gone, lights out.
Yeah, that's what they call most of the guys call me. Current Company.
Current Company?
Yeah, that's what they call most of them.
Alright, my boss. Fully lights out, man.
Yeah.
Fully lights out.
In name, take away from vision. It went through all the panino.
Can't do much, So, how you deal with it, sir, dog?
Huh?
How you deal with it, sir?
God.
Watch it. That's not good again, man.
I only way, Mr. Knight.
Left that for your dog, you can go and eat it, I don't know. That's right. You understand, yeah? You understand, man? What you tell him, say? You got a road.
You carry that road, man.
You can't read that, as well. You can't read that. What? But glad the dog now run no joke because the dog broke it. Heart and everything. Heart and lungs and everything I get fucked up. Heart, lungs, kidney, everything. Watch you. Oh, clad. The dog trim no name no people. Bumbo clad. By December I be people I beat them trim man.
It's Best Road. You know his name? Bigger ball game.
Bumbo clad.
You need to know what going. If you don't know what going, you will vote for them.
Yes.
But if you don't know what going, you will vote for them. Lord God.
Stop watching with him and talk
It's
with him.
sorry for you.
Right now, you don't remember where you topic where you
The topic, what I'm dealing with. And we want headline and tell the people they want one. Voting for Labour. Listen what I'm saying.
Yes.
Don't be off, no diet. Be off yourself. Listen what I go on and look. And the whole this is a dictator, a criminal. You understand? So if you should have said, yeah, vote for your own you are going to lose. No, we have to talk about Jamaica and Jamaica fi up front. And the whole this sell we hold. And the whole this sell we hold. Raffin now go on, this now go on. That now go on, the beach them sell out, the river sell out, everything bumbo class sell out,
them sell out,
the airport sell out, the seaport them sell out.
We don't have a fuck.
We don't have nothing left. And people are get
I plan to put him back there.
No, you can't make and the whole game another government.
No, sir.
Because what I'm saying to the people of Jamaica, looking at yourself and see who you are.
Yes, man.
Who is nothing without your wholeness.
and see where you don't want out of this country.
And we want a better Jamaica and a better country. And a strong Jamaica.
I remember say right now, you know.
Right now.
A substandard teachers we have in our schools, you know.
The people them.
Because the whole of the great teacher them migrate, you know.
The people them. This is what I'm saying. The people, everybody want to go to England.
Everybody want to go.
Everybody want to go
because life the right and not now.
Because not now go to Jamaica. Police our can not get the proper way. Security our can not get the real way.
Teachers
not get the real wages. They have to see a better living. And Jamaica and a whole want a better living.
Yes, man.
Better wages.
Tell them so we want better leadership. And if Mark Walden come in there and we see him, and we see when they're ready to kick him out.
We can't come down to Jamaica work out to. It's only a Nyama food government.
And they say Nyama food country.
We can't deal with Nyama food.
No, sir.
Because 200 Nyama food we sell you.
You get said.
Another takas is sell you.
Let me say.
Listen, when I tell you things, I don't want to see that good man, you know. But when we realize and centralize and look for the real things that Jamaica know.
You see, you coming on the camera?
Hey, what the camera down?
What me a hold it well enough to show you passing light?
Is that dictator to the country? Hungry as hell we are. You understand?
And yeah, he will have them there to teach them. He said JPS, he said, you know the one where we ain't talk there? The airport, he plane them.
The airport,
yes.
The wharf,
yes.
The seaport,
yes.
The river,
yes.
The rafting.
Yes, we get you back. That's a message that your problem. Me say it's not your problem. What the fuck you talk about again?
Oh, but you did to carry.
Yo, look at me, I have one room money for you. Don't type of this girl for one bumbo clear room money. Come on, where you go? Boss clear. You there? Let me pull back my blood clot and here. Fuck off. You don't buy me a cuss all the boss now. You get it. Come on, where you go?